Now see this example, start begin, input two numbers, right? So read n1 and n2, right? The pseudocode is reading the number, whatever the number we input it reads, so we need to make here read. Now this is not a continuous condition, right? That moment only we are checking, right? Is n1 larger than n2, right? Is we are checking. So here we need to make a decision, right? In the diagram we can write whatever we want, right? We are just using general English here, but here it is a programming procedure. So we need to check if n1 is greater than n2. If that condition is true, right? If n1 is greater than n2, then we say large equal n1. So n1 is larger, no? So we are moving this n1 to the large. So earlier I explained to you, these are the variables, right? Whenever you say type a word and say equal, this value will be assigned to this variable. Now large holds n1 number, right? If n1 is greater than n2. Else mean what? Else mean n1 is not greater, then n2 only greater, no? So therefore we are telling, if this condition is met, do this. Else, if not this condition, then the other condition is n2 is large, no? So we say large equal n2. Always after implementing any condition we need to end it, otherwise program won't run. So therefore end if, end while, we are using that, right? Now after end if, display large. Why? The large only holding the value, no? This is the condition, n1 is large, otherwise n2 is large. So anyhow finally the number will be replaced in large, so we need to display this value, so we say display large, right? Likewise we need to understand the logic, not just looking at this statement and looking at this, how this program work, then we get familiar. Then I will be explaining some complicated questions as well. First we need to understand the basic. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.